When you search for diving flashlights, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Nox CNM Diving Flashlight. Priced at just $22.09. This 2-pack caught my eye because it's a great value for those who want reliable underwater lighting. If you want a solid flashlight for diving without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It features upgraded T6 LED bulbs that deliver ultra-bright light and have a lifespan of over 60,000 hours, meaning you won't be replacing them anytime soon. With 3 brightness modes, high, low, and strobe, it caters to different underwater scenarios, which is handy when you need to signal or adjust your light. Plus, with an IPX8 waterproof rating, it can go down to 80 feet, making it perfect for various water activities. Now, some people complained about the brightness not being as strong as they expected at deeper levels. Here's the thing though, this flashlight performs well for recreational diving and is more than sufficient for snorkeling or exploring shallow waters. It's not the best if you're diving deep regularly, but for most scenarios, it does a great job. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need reliable lighting for casual diving or snorkeling. Skip this one if you're diving deeper than 80 feet regularly, but for the price, it's a good deal. Now, if you're looking for something with even more brightness, the next option might just blow you away.
Product number 2, Fish Oki Diving Flashlight. The Fish Oki Diving Flashlight, coming in at $16.49. I was impressed by its compact design and multiple brightness modes. If you want a lightweight option that's easy to carry, this one's definitely worth a serious look. Why this product solves your problem? It boasts 1,500 lumens of brightness, which is quite impressive for underwater use. With a range of up to 100 meters, this flashlight ensures you can see clearly while diving. It also has 3 adjustable modes, high, weak, and SOS, giving you flexibility in different situations. Plus, it's built to last with an IPX8 waterproof rating and durable materials that resist corrosion and shock, making it suitable for various underwater activities. Some users mentioned that the battery life isn't as long as expected, lasting only 2 to 4 hours on full charge. I'll be real with you, this might be a deal breaker if you're planning extensive night dives, but for shorter sessions, it's solid and reliable. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact and bright flashlight for occasional diving or snorkeling. Skip this one if you need something that lasts many hours on a single charge, but it's definitely a great pick for short dives. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those deep sea adventures. Product number 3, Genuis Diving Flashlight. We have the Genuis Diving Flashlight, priced at $29.59. This caught my attention because it offers 2,000 lumens of brightness, which is a significant upgrade for serious divers. If you want to illuminate the underwater world clearly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The XML2 LED provides a neutral white light, allowing you to see targets clearly from 100 meters away. This is crucial when diving in darker waters or exploring caves. The robust aluminum design is tough enough to withstand underwater shocks, and with a simple magnetic switch, it's easy to operate even with wet hands. However, some reviews pointed out that the size might be a bit bulky for some divers. Here's the thing though. While it may not be the most compact option, the brightness and durability more than make up for it, especially if you're in deep waters. This is perfect for you if you frequently dive in challenging conditions and need a powerful light source. Skip this one if you prefer something more lightweight for casual snorkeling, but for serious diving, this is a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something that balances power and portability, the next product could be just what you need.
Product number 4, NGK Iridium IX for Silverado. The NGK Iridium IX spark plugs specifically designed for the Chevrolet Silverado 1500, priced at $66.40 for an 8-pack. I found this particularly interesting because it's tailored for those V8 engines. What makes this product stand out is its advanced center and ground electrodes that enhance ignition and spark efficiency. This means you can expect faster and more powerful combustion, which translates to better fuel economy and fewer emissions. It's designed to operate reliably in tough conditions, making it perfect for a robust truck like the Silverado. However, I did see some complaints about the higher price compared to standard plugs. But if you're driving a heavy-duty vehicle, this investment can greatly improve performance and longevity, so it could definitely be worth it.
This is perfect for you if you own a Silverado and want to ensure it runs at its best. Skip this one if you're looking for a universal fit spark plug that's cheaper. The performance gains justify the cost if you need reliability. Now, if you want a more budget-friendly option that still holds up, the last one on our list could be what you're after.
Product number 5, Zekbil Diving Flashlight. Last but not least is the Zekbil Diving Flashlight, available at $20.86 for a 2-pack. This one is great for those who want value and reliability. If you're diving on a budget but still need solid lighting, this is worth considering. Here's why this product stands out. It delivers 1200 lumens using T6 LED technology, which is bright enough for most diving activities. Its IPX8 waterproof rating means you can rely on it in deeper waters without worry. Plus, it features 3 adjustable modes, high, low, and strobe, so you can adapt to different situations underwater. However, some users found it less durable than expected, especially the plastic parts. This honestly surprised me, as I thought it would handle better. But for casual divers and recreational use, it still provides solid performance and is easy on the wallet. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into diving or need a reliable backup flashlight. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely durable for heavy-duty use. For the price, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better deal. So, there you have it, a diverse mix of diving flashlights catering to different needs and budgets.
We've covered a range of diving flashlights, from budget-friendly options like the Nox CNM and Fishoki, to more powerful models like the Genwis and Windfire. Each has its strengths depending on your diving needs, whether it's brightness, durability, or price. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your diving style and safety requirements. Happy diving!